Today we're introducing a new segment on foreign exchange that features exceptional Americans whose lives began in other parts of the world. Our first subject likes to say that he was raised in Brooklyn by way of Kashmir. Today he is chairman, CEO and president of one of America's most well-known companies.
At Ethan Allen, which started basically projecting the early American and colonial periods. So Ethan Allen represents the American period of home furnishings when you go around. These are designs from all over the world, but projected in an American attitude. When I was growing up in Kashmir, the last thing I was thinking of was coming to America. I grew up in a family that was involved with arts and crafts and also politics. My grandfather was a very, very well-respected art expert. In fact, the Maharaja of Kashmir would consult him before he would purchase any artwork. My father, on the other hand, had studied law at a university in India called Aligarh. And he joined politics. So in our house we had politics and we had arts and we had business. But my growing up was also part of being involved with nature, with lots of trekking, hiking. I played sports. I was invariably captain of the cricket team. So becoming a team captain somewhat came naturally to me in my junior high school, in college. But we were also living in an environment that was full of conflict. Kashmir was an area of conflict. So that was also part of our lives. We saw many members of our family impacted by that conflict. We were also in an area which is great natural beauty. Color, beauty, great mountains, streams inspire you. So that was an environment I was living in Kashmir. My father got an assignment to come to the New York's World's Fair in Queens, New York. And he brought along with him some application forms for me. And he made up his mind that I should apply to higher education in the United States. When I joined NYU, I became an evening student because I had to work during the day. My grandfather in Kashmir decided on his own to send me 12 wicker baskets of Kashmiri handicrafts. Now here I was living in one-room apartment in Brooklyn, and he said, sell these products and send us the money. And one of my associates later introduced me to the chairman of Ethan Allen. And Ethan Allen also became a customer of these handicrafts. And by the 1980s, when I became president, Ethan Allen was a highly regarded company. Good brand, good quality. However, there were issues. We have made our manufacturing more efficient. We've gone from 29 plants to now 7 major plants in the United States, 1 in Canada, and which produces almost 65% of all the products we today manufacture and sell. We have repositioned our retail network. We today have about 290 design centers in the United States and in many other countries. In fact, we've got 30 in China. 60% of them have been relocated in the last 15 years to better locations. 20 years back, practically all the Ethan Allen business was done by independent retailers. Today, over 60% of all our design centers are operated by the company itself. So we've gone into retail. We have re-established a strong manufacturing presence. We have also, very importantly, expanded our range of products from early American to a very diversified styles that we can reach a large consumer base in styles and taste. We maintained excellent quality. And also, very importantly, we have great value. This is our design center, and of course we have over 1,000 fabrics that a client can come in and we can make any of our upholstered product. We handmade our products in the United States, and we are now shipping 50% of products we sell here to China in our design centers there. I am proud of the fact that 65% plus of our products are still made in the United States. Not easy. If there were some hard-nosed financial analysts, which I talk to all the time, said, why are you still doing it here? Why don't you outsource everything? The fact is, we will lose our competitive advantage if we do that. And it's because of that we've been able to prosper, even today with all the tough challenges we are faced with the economy. To offer great value and custom is not easy, but that creates a competitive advantage. And that's what we are doing in our manufacturing.